everyone, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets. We are doing the first sinking fund video that I have done for quite a while. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I did have totals that I started with this week. I had $538 to start with. We did pay the penny jar back, so I just stuck a $20 bill in there even though I only owed it $19. It's fine. So that leaves us with $518 to do my weekly budget. We minus $300 for my wallet, which was the last video. And then I also decided I was going to do a stuffing for my medical expenses, even though that remains electronic. It stays in the bank and it doesn't roll through this same account. It goes to its own separate account, so it's just sitting there waiting to need to be used. I'm going to add it in here. I forgot to do it up there. That's basically all that is. That's all my rambling came up with. So let's see how much I have. I should have $368 here for the rest of my budget. So 100, 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 300. So 300, 10, 25, 35, 45, 55. So 355, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 360. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $368, which is what my calculations came up with. So let's go ahead, set this all out the way I need it to be for putting in my binders. So I do have a hybrid type of budgeting. I do partial cash and then I have partial in the bank. It is just easier for me with some of it to keep in the bank and just have it available if I need it. Like my medical savings, I am paying medical bills constantly throughout the year, and it's just easier if it's in the bank, so I can just pay it right away instead of holding on to it. I am maybe going to stick that underneath though, so I have more room. Okay, so that is all I have for that. Let's start with my Save Ahead binder. Okay, and let's see. So car insurance is getting $20. So there's 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. My Amazon Prime is getting $5. So that is 20, 40, 55, and $60 in Amazon Prime. Autoimmune Strong is getting $10. Audible. Did I decide to put anything in Audible this time? Yes, I am going to go ahead and stuff this, even though this is fully stuffed. It is being paid this pay period, so I need to start working on next year. So 5 and 6, I do pay this annually, so I am putting this in there, and we will go ahead and add onto it. So it is 1025, we are adding 6, so 166 is what is total. We'll fix that when I have to take the money out to pay it. Okay, So we're skipping over that one. Summer utilities. It's getting $50. I think that's what this and two of these were. It's $20, $40, and $50, which leaves us with that's wrong. I was doing $30, so we have a total of $80. There was $50 in it, and $50, $70, and $80. So there's $80 in there. I still have last month's bill to pay, which was $50. So, and then we are adding in a new envelope. I do have to pay this pretty frequently. It is expensive. I live in a small town. We don't have a public indoor pool. So opportunities and places to go swimming, pretty rare. We do have a hotel who offers a swimming pass to use their pool. It's $45 each time. So, well, not each time I go, it's $45 for the pass. And I have to pay that. I have a choice of monthly or 12 times on each pass. So we'll see how this goes. It's going to be intermittently done. So this is 20, 40, and 5. And this is because I have to pay for this weekend. So this will be gone right away. And then I am also adding $10 into here just to start building up a little bit of a saved ahead for this. So there is 55 in here, and 45 is in the bank. Since I will be paying it, I'll just do it with my card. So from that, we are moving on to my medical binder. I did decide to separate it out from the rest of the book, or from the rest of the saving ahead stuff, just because there's so much, and I would like to eventually, if I ever get things under control, like to be able to have categories so it's not all just one lumped together coming out of the same bucket. So I have spent so much on medical costs the last couple of months that I have $3 in this savings. So we are adding $150, and it gets $150 every pay period. So $300 a month gets put away for medical expenses. So 150, 1, 2, and 153 is what we have currently. And that is not the only thing going into this binder today, because I do have my eye doctor is a separate savings. We are putting 16 in there, so 5, 10, 15, and 16. So this will not have to be used until the middle of next year. There are unique problems with being in a small town, and one of those is the eye doctor is so backed up. It's a whole half a year away from where they normally take me to do my eye exam. So I have a while. So then we are also going to start building up for dental expenses again. This is emptied because I had my crown done this summer. So we're just going to save up for general dental expenses. So just $5 to start. That is everything that's going in there so far right now. Then I am going to pull out my car binder, because this has also been decimated this year. There was just so much money going out. It just would not stop. So we are putting $10 in here. I'm going to switch out this 10 for 20 because now my total is 20. And that is the only thing I have in this binder at the moment. So hopefully nothing catastrophic happens to my car. Oh, it makes me nervous. All right, so then I am taking out my home binder, and we are slowly being able to build up a down payment. This is one of the very few envelopes or savings that did not get touched. And it's not necessarily impressive at the moment, but we're getting there. We're getting there. And this is going to be cash. We're going to put 25 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count this up. Great, so currently in my down payment, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 20, 40, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and $552 towards a down payment on a home, so I can no longer be an apartment dweller. Okay, so for my sinking funds, that is the last one I'm going to stuff. Then we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $36 left to do savings challenges. So that is going to be the next video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for being here with me and not caring every time I start over, because it has seemed to happen quite often. I am so thankful and happy and blessed that I am still at this point in my life completely debt-free, and that is my goal going forward, unless I buy a house, and then that would be the only debt I would want. Anyway, thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.